Hey everyone, I'm Joe Altieri, founder and inventor of FlexScreen. I started this journey over a decade ago with a simple idea, revolutionizing the way window screens are designed and installed. Since then, FlexScreen has grown beyond what I ever imagined, and today I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you.
And I'm Chris Yankovic, CEO of RightScreen. Our mission has always been to deliver top quality products and innovative solutions to our customers. Today, we're taking that mission to the next level.
We're excited to announce that FlexScreen is now part of the RightScreen family. This partnership marks a huge step forward for both of our companies, combining FlexScreen's game-changing technology with RightScreen's decades of industry expertise, manufacturing capabilities, and nationwide reach.
FlexScreen has been a true disruptor in the industry, gaining national recognition, innovating with flexible screen technology, and making life easier for homeowners and window manufacturers alike. Now, by bringing our strengths together, we're expanding our product offerings, increasing efficiency, and ensuring that our customers have access to the best screen solutions on the market.
This partnership isn't just about growth, it's about delivering even more value to our customers. With RightScreen support, we'll be able to scale like never before, bringing our innovative screens to more homes, businesses, and manufacturers all across the country. And don't worry, FlexScreen's dedication to innovation and customer service isn't going anywhere. We're just getting started.
The integration process is already underway, and our teams are working hard to ensure a seamless transition for employees, partners, and customers.
I couldn't be more excited about what the future holds. To all of our customers, partners, and employees, thank you for your continued trust and support. We're looking forward to this next chapter and can't wait to show you what's ahead.
Stay tuned for more updates. And as always, thank you for being part of our journey. The best is yet to come.